That all of you are going to go up against me, right? Have you guys ever bullied me before? The answer is yes. You guys started the bullying, but you guys know you can't handle me alone. That's why you guys got that. All of you, una got down. No, dear, not so. We're going to sponsor this thing. But one thing for sure, try to come to US. Facebook and when you get Eziokwu. As you guys have gathered to bully me. When you gather go, yeah, we bully 5 and 6 soon, because I got him now one raggedy cheap place. When I get up, set him up, right? And arrested me, right? Everything will be fine. I fish here. Everything will be fine. Trust me. Actually, I won't. Actually, remember, bara ejila police. Would you laugh local? As you guys have ganged up, to humiliate me, to molest me. Look, we get ready for the return match. Petition a Caribbean. Akaya Kureibuya. No get I'm Sharibia. Anyway, Nigeria, Caribbean on a phone. A living hell for me. The return of Ogechi got the brutal. A living hell for me. Nigeria living hell for me. Oh God, you anyway, you don't want to be doing that and that is one thing for sure. Okay, I'll see you guys.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe on this channel, share this video, like and comment, drop your thoughts in the comment section, subscribe. Thank you for watching.